How to fix application not appearing on Realme device screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix or overcome if you're not able to find the application in your Realme device home screen. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, open up settings in your device. Once you're on the settings, tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Once you're here, tap on the search icon at the top right corner. And in the search bar, you have to type in the application that is missing out in order to find the application. So simply type in and head towards the application that you're not able to see its icon in your home screen. Now once you have tapped on that application, once you get to their app info, ensure it is enabled. If you see enable button under the app info, that means your application is disabled, due to which you are not able to find the application icon in your home screen. So from there, tap on enable. After you have enabled it, you can go back and then you will be able to locate your application in your home screen now. So that was the way to fix if you are not able to find the application icon in your Realme device home screen. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.